Welcome to class, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do this week's assignment on your phone. So first, you should have on your phone these three apps. You should have Classroom, Slides, and Docs. You will need these three apps in order to do any assignments on your phone. So before you get started, make sure you've downloaded Classroom, Slides, and Docs. Once you've downloaded those three, go ahead and click on Classroom. Once you've opened up Classroom, you're going to see that my classroom looks very different than your classroom. That is okay. You're going to find the assignment that says Color and Shape Scavenger Hunt. You're going to click on that. And then once in there, you are going to read the instructions. During the scavenger hunt, you will be looking for items around your house or on the internet that match the definition of each word. You can do this in any way you want. Get creative. I just want to see that you understand the definition. Then it tells you to do three things. You need to read the rubric, watch the video, and do slides assignment below. You will first click where it says Color and Shape Scavenger Hunt 1 criteria. That is your rubric. You will then click on the rubric and you will read what you need to do. So we know this is for standard 7.2, and that's when you analyze ways that the elements of art, as well as personal and cultural symbols in an image, influence ideas, emotions, and actions. So we're just focusing on the elements of art in this one. So the rubric for this specific assignment says students put at least one image on every slide. The image on the slide is creative and shows a strong understanding of the vocabulary word on the slide. So you know that in order to get a plus, you will need to put at least one image on every slide. The image on the slide needs to be creative, and it needs to know that you understand the vocabulary word. Okay, so now we're going to hit the arrow back, and it says watch video. Well, I'm making the video right now, so you can't watch it, or I can't show you watching it. But I will have it on there so you can watch it. Then it says do slides assignment. That's that yellow box. That's the slides assignment. So you're going to click on that. And now it's going to open it up where it says template, color and shape. Where it says template, that means you cannot edit it. In order for you to be able to edit it, you will need to hit in the upper right, there's a box with an arrow in it. You will need to click on that. In the upper right, there's a box with an arrow in it. Click on that. That'll then open up slides automatically on your phone, and then you can start to edit it. So, let's read what it says. Color and shape scavenger hunt. During this assignment, you will be using either your phone or your computer to find or take pictures that match the definition on the slide. So you will either be finding pictures on the internet or taking pictures with your phone. So let's read the next slide. Instructions. Read the definition on the slide. Find something in your house that matches the definition, or collect a group of objects from your house that match the definition, or find an image on the internet that matches your definition. Remember, I want these slides to be creative. Figure it out. Make it interesting. Make it creative. I'm giving you instructions, but if you can figure out a way to do it, not using these instructions, but it still shows me you understand the vocabulary word, let's do it. Okay. Now, 3A, add your picture to the slide by clicking on the mountain icon if you're using a computer. Well, you're not. You clicked on this video because you're using a phone. So, you're going to use that plus icon if you're using a phone. If you're using the internet, you're going to right-click on the picture or pictures you find on the internet and paste them to the slide. Obviously, with the phone, you do not right-click. You hold your finger there, and then it'll say copy. I'll show you that. So, we're going to go through these instructions. So the first thing it tells you to do is to go and read a definition. So we got to the next slide, analogous. It says colors that are directly next to each other on the color wheel. So when we look at this color wheel, we know we're looking for objects that are red, red, orange, and orange, or orange, yellow, orange, and yellow. You could also do like yellow, green, green, and blue. As long as they're close enough to each other on the color wheel, that's still considered analogous. So now you're going to walk around your house. You're going to try to find things that look like analogous colors. I found something that's an analogous color. It's my guitar. I feel like it's an orange, a red, and a red-orange, and so I'm going to take a picture of it. I forgot how to take a picture, so I know that it says see slide 2, so I'm going to go back to slide 2. I'm going to see that I need to click that plus icon, so I'm going to click the plus icon. I'm going to click where it says image, and then I'm going to click from camera. I'm going to take a picture of what it is that I want to insert. I'll take that picture, and then I'll click use photo. That photo is way too big, so I'm going to click on the upper left square and just drag it down to the size that I want it to be. Great. Now I'm going to move on to, now I'm going to go to delicate colors. Delicate colors are colors that are soft and easy to look at. Weak colors, like pastels, are colors that have a lot of white added to them. They make the image feel soft and calming. The colors are not vibrant, so the image is easy to look at. And then below, I have a kind of a selection of what delicate colors could look like, what you should kind of be looking for to kind of help you out. I kind of have a thing for furniture. I like furniture. I think it's interesting. I like art that's useful. So I'm gonna go to my window. I'm gonna double click on my phone because I have an iPhone. I'm gonna open up my Safari. I'm gonna look up modernist couches. I'm gonna scroll through modernist couches. I'm going to find a couch that is very delicate because delicate colors are pastel. They're light colors. And I see this yellow couch. And I'm like, yeah, perfect, delicate, wonderful. So I am going to click on that picture. I'm going to kind of hold on it with my finger. I'm going to click copy. I'm going to double click on my phone again. I'm going to go back into slides. I'm going to click hold again. And I'm going to paste. But I remember I want this to kind of be creative. And so I'm going to show you how to do something that's kind of creative. When you're in here, another thing you can insert, if you hit that plus, you're going to see you can insert shapes. Click on a shape. Click the word shape. In this case, I'm going to pick a call out. I'm going to make it look like my couch is thinking. So I'm going to get a thinking bubble. I'm going to be putting that into my document. I'm going to size it to where I want it to be using the corners of the thing. But even though that gray is kind of nice and delicate, I really want to make it really delicate. So while I'm still clicked onto that shape, in the bottom of your window there, you're going to see a little paint bucket. Click on that. And then you're going to choose a color from the color slider up there. And you're going to choose a delicate color. And you're going to position it where you want it to go. And we'll call it good. Those are all the ways that you can insert images into the slideshow. You have 8 slides. I was going to say 4 color, 4 for shape. You have 8 slides that you need to do. All of them need to be complete. You need to show me that you understand each of the definitions. You need to find images either on the internet. You can draw the images on your phone if you have that kind of stuff. You can take pictures of whatever you have at home, however you want to do this. Just make it creative and interesting, but also show me that you know what the vocabulary words mean. If you have any questions, reach out to me through email. I am 100% available through email between 8 in the morning and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So just email me and I'll get back to you. I hope this goes well for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.